XCMG's new energy milling machine not only inherits the numerous advantages of traditional fuel-powered models, but also offers inherent benefits in low carbon emissions, zero emissions, noise reduction, energy efficiency, and operational performance. One of its flagship models is the XCMG second-generation pure electric half-meter milling machine XM505EP, equipped with XCMG's independently developed electric system. This machine features highly reliable high-voltage components, an ultra-long warranty, and a fully enclosed high-voltage system that is safely isolated within the engine compartment. With comprehensive active and passive high-voltage safety measures, users can operate it with confidence. As the world's first second-generation pure electric half-meter road milling machine, it boasts a unique direct motor-driven milling system, supporting multiple milling modes for versatile applications. It is compatible with standard electric vehicle charging stations, requiring only 1 hour of charging for a full work shift. With dual leading energy-saving control technology, it achieves 30% higher energy efficiency and reduces noise levels by 25 dBA, offering both cost savings and peace of mind. Weighing less than its fuel-powered compartments, it is easier to transport, and its excellent controls and compact design make it more maneuverable and user-friendly, making it the ideal choice for municipal maintenance. Designed with ample space and access for maintenance and servicing, it helps save time and effort, ensuring efficient upkeep.